morning, everybody. This is Kathy from Cats All Create, and I am coming on today. I just got finished watching Lyriclover, I think it's 810, Amber, and she just did a video, and I am gonna do this. So it's basically an improv. This is usually what my desk looks like. It's a mess right now. I haven't cleaned it. I was crafting. I was doing some flowers yesterday. Aren't these cute? So basically this is how my desk was left. So I just watched, like I said, Amber, and she did a 5-minute timer improv, basically making a 5-minute card. So she challenged everybody out there, whoever wanted to go ahead and do it, to go ahead and do it, and she would watch your video. Anyways, so this is my mess. I just washed her right now, like literally like 2-3 minutes ago. So I did not clean my desk. This is the way it was. So let me go ahead and set my timer over here if I could find it. I'm looking for my alarm and stopwatch, and oh shoot, I don't even know how to use that. Oh wait, timer. Oh, it's actually at 5 minutes. I think it's 5 minutes. Yeah. So I'm hoping my phone doesn't go off on me like hers did. But what I'm gonna do is basically let it go, and yeah, I gotta find all my stuff as I'm crafting here. So I guess I have to do a 5-minute card, I guess. Okay, well, here we go. Let's go ahead and start. Let me see if I could find all my, I'm gonna have to throw some stuff away. Oh shoot. Well, this is an improv, so I guess throw everything on the floor. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh, what color should I make it? Oh, no. Oh great. How about, yeah, I like this. So I have this embossed paper that I've had for a while in my earphones. I was listening to Gloria from Crafting with the Heart last night, so I have my earphones and my tablet on here. Yeah. Oh great, I don't have enough glue. So there. So hopefully this works. So these are just pieces of scraps that I've had laying around here. I've embossed this paper. I've had that for a while and I haven't even used it. I just embossed it to see if I like what it looked like. And there you go. Let me see. So 5 minutes. I have 5 minutes and I'm still at the, oh shoot. Oh, no wonder it was kind of weird. So I only have my top. Oh, I like this. I don't know where I got this from, but hopefully I make it. Hopefully I make it. Ooh. Should I put that Hello Gorgeous? I have so this is just the top of my card. This isn't even my whole total card. Oh wow. Let me see. Should I put this on here? Oh, I like that. Oh, how funny. Now I just have to find the card, the actual card. I'm just doing my layering right now. Should I put a flower in here? No, that's too much already. Now I have that. I have that. Now I have to look for my cards. And those cards, I don't know where they're at. This is, no, I can't use this one. Oh, shoot. Oh, yay. What color should I use? This one okay? No, it's too light anyway, lightweight. I like blue, so let's go ahead and use the blue. And I still have 2 minutes to go. Yay. What's the size on the cards? Oh man, it's too big. Well, guess what? We're gonna make a big card, because I can always make envelopes. And usually what do you do? Just fold it in half. Oh shoot. Sorry, you guys, I'm not talking as much. Amber talked a lot more. Maybe that's why she got a little sidetracked. Her phone kept on going off on her. Oh, did I put that glue on there? Oh, yay! I would like to put some ribbon on here. Where's the ribbon? Where did I put the ribbon at? Do I have time? I have this cute ribbon over here. Sorry. Oh, that would look nice. Yeah, a little bow. I've seen people put bows in here. Oh, is it long enough? I'm getting nervous because I don't think I'm gonna finish. So my alarm should go off in a minute. Any second. I have 50 seconds to go. It might not be perfect. Oh shoot, I hope I have enough glue. I gotta refill my glue, and I do apologize if I'm not talking as much as I should. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. 28 seconds to go. 28 seconds to go. And oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Just tape a little bit of this down so it's not sticking everywhere. So 11 seconds to go. I might make it. I might make it. This bow. Yay! Guess what? I did make it. I'm sorry, you guys. Cancel. Cancel. Dismiss. Sorry. Anyways, so I don't know if I was in a frame. I do apologize for that. So look it. I actually did make it in 5 minutes. I just have to fix this a little bit. So awesome. This was actually fun, even though I didn't talk a lot, but I do apologize for that. So this was a piece of paper I've seen here. I don't know where I even found it. And I had this embossing, and I've had all these scraps laying around, just, you know, laying around here. So there you go. I made a card. All I have to do is the envelope. Well, this was actually awesome. This was fun, Amber. And wow. But I guess if I were to have to put some stuff together, like this was, like I said, scraps, but you know, I would have probably taken a little bit more time, but it was here on my site. So there you go. Anyways, you guys, if you guys want to join her channel, her challenge, go ahead and go over to her page, check her challenge out, and you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for watching and taking the time to watch. And now I gotta clean this desk again. I always have to clean this desk, and it's always messy. Thank you. Bye, you guys.